Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to create your own custom sound on Snapchat and use it anytime in your stories or snaps. First, open the Snapchat app on your phone. You can either record a brand new video or upload one from your camera roll. For this example, I'll choose a video from my gallery. Once your video is ready, look at the top of the screen and tap on the Add Sound option. A sound library will open with different music choices. At the top, you'll see a menu. Go to My Favorites and select My Sounds. Now, tap on Create Sound. Here, Snapchat gives you two options. You can upload audio from your camera roll, or you can record a sound directly using your microphone. Let's record our own sound. Tap the microphone icon and record anything you want. When you're finished, stop the recording. After that, give your sound a name and save it. Your custom sound is now stored in Snapchat. Simply tap again, add a sound, go to My Sounds to apply it to your video. You can now post it to your story or send it to your friends. And that's it. You've successfully created and used your own custom sound on Snapchat. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe for tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.